Why do 75% of businesses rely on Microsoft systems? On Friday, 19th of July, 2024, they faced a nightmare. In a dramatic turn of events, the CrowdStrike outage had triggered a massive disruption in Microsoft services. From small startups to major corporations, the impact was widespread and severe. Industries that hit the hardest included finance, healthcare, retail, and airways. Banks were struggling with transactions, hospitals were facing delays in patient care, and online retailers were losing thousands by the minute. Business owners were grappling with operational chaos, trying to find quick solutions to restore functionality. With critical data at risk and productivity plummeting, the urgency to resolve this outage was at an all-time high. Stay tuned to RK Learning Studios as we provide you insights on how to navigate these challenging times. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. This is RK Learning Studios, signing off.